So, the Andrew Mercado vehicle here, just been handed over.
На тех же нам должна быть в обличье?
Не, ладно. Думаю, тут солнце.
Да, так в очках будет супер.
Канал можно больше?
Это канал, его зовут Эндрю. Да, канал называется Mercado Media.
А что они делают?
Он как бы делает обзор как вор-блогер Украины.
Он в Украине?
Он был до Украины, он сейчас уехал, он вернется в сентябре. Эндрю. И это его, короче, третья машина. Вот. Ну, вы делали запрос к нему.
Да.
Вот. И
Супер.
да, в принципе, Эндрю зовут. Там его флаг Миннесоты, Поэтому сейчас тут просто сказать, типа, спасибо большое, типа, подписчикам YouTube канала Mercado Media за эту автивку. Она уже завтра едет выполнять свои там издания. Условно так. Может что-то менять. Главное, чтобы Mercado Media YouTube канал звучало все. И готов?
Hello, hi. My name is Talisman. I want to say thank you for Andrew and the Mercado Media followers and subscribers that helped us to receive this vehicle. We're in great need of these vehicles today in the front lines, and with all of our hearts, this means world to us for you to give us that support and staying with us for this long time already. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you for your dedication. Thank you for your work in Ukraine. We hope to see you again here soon. And tomorrow, this vehicle gonna be moving to the front line for the specific tasks that our unit assigned to. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you again. Thank you.
Cut.
So there you go. There is Andrew's vehicle.
Тут у нас такая история, что мы собираем включение в ходе. У нас будет такая нарезка,
We got a load more yet to hand over in this pretty spectacular church. Right, absolutely mega location.
короче, все можешь все рассказать. Сейчас прям
I mean, it was a beautiful day here. Air raid alert went off about 5 minutes ago, so you could hear it ringing out all around here. It's not an unsafe location, this, because that behind me was the church of the Russian Orthodox, so they're quite keen to get that church back. It's quite important to them, so they're not really interested in blowing it up, which again, I think, as I said earlier, that's why we've put a load of Ukrainian military equipment in front of it, because they don't really like that very much. But there you go, you've seen Mercado's truck, you saw that young guy there. He's a solution architect in the IT industry. He's now fighting on the front lines. He's part of a drone unit. Really nice guys, and you'll see like the full interview of that on the NAFO Convoy review, Convoy 20, that will come out in a few weeks.